I saw something. Seriously. Look at this. Have to get the number. Wow. Seriously? Oh, come on. Washer, dryer. Garbage. Like, they drank a lot and threw a lot of clothes out. Let's take a look, see if there's any names. I don't really want to turn off my bike though. So. Wow, guys. What is wrong with people? They like actually left their clothes. That's actually kind of weird, you know? Let's see. You have to be careful, because I could get poked. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Like somebody also, so they were living here. They had a RV parked here, but they fucking left a lot, or cause that's a screen. Like, why would you bring? There, so, you know, with how many bottles there are, I'm gonna guess somebody pulled their RV up, but then they threw away this stuff. Oh. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Ace Hardware Corp in Colorado Springs Retail Support Center. So it looks like somebody went to Ace and tried to get employment. Here we go. Try to get employment. Seeing if there's a resume. If the person was that dumb. Approved by Kane Calamari. 12/15. So this is kind of 12/15. Well, this probably hasn't been here for that long. To all employees from Rebecca HR. I wonder if somebody got fired. Overtime. It's a memo. Let's see. Okay. Talking about new health insurance marketplace coverage. January 2017. So this is somebody that worked at Ace. I bet they got fired or something. Just double check. Change for kids. Payroll deduction form. Yeah. Sound like somebody was going for a job. More Ace. Chemical hazardous. Here we go. Here we go. Got a name. 2/14/19. Tristan Lacey. This is on from that. Take a picture. I'll take a picture for the Ranger. I'll make sure to put it back in because this is all could be evidence to who they can maybe track down. And give them a fine. Find out, you know, like why is your stuff out here in the forest? And that's basically what they'll do. Come back here. I don't want to lose that one. Here, let's set that there. Some of this is wet. again, the 25th. So I bet somebody worked there because some of the papers were 20. That's the 2019. So they either still do. They're living up here. Why did they get rid of stuff? I don't know. But, well, Ace Hardware will know who that person is, too. Tristan Lacey. I'm not going to bleep out names. Somehow your garbage is in a washing machine dumped with a dryer up here. So Ace Hardware knows who that person is. So I'm not gonna dig around in there because they could be druggies. I'm just here. Unless somebody kicked somebody out of a house, loaded shit up, and tossed it. Okay. Make sure I have my glove. Kind of want that to shut just so. Those papers. Here's some mail. Card order. Is there a name? Address. Well, if they're living out here, they probably don't have an address. We'll toss that in there. I'll have to take a picture of the sign. See, that's a shame. What's up with these people? Well, I'm 25 cents richer. I mean, they even threw money out. Looks like they were shooting a lot. 12 gauge shotgun. Kind of pick that stuff up. I don't want their crack quarter. I'm not desperate. I'll leave it there. Whoever ends up cleaning can get. Maybe there's more money in pockets. Yeah, that's kind of weird. So they did a lot of shooting. I don't see shells. Did they clean up their shells? But yeah, they made a mess. I'll go around the corner and get the sign. What a shame. So guys, as you know from my previous videos, I hate when people dump. It's not like a soda can, like one can. It's like leaving all their trash. So, yep, hopefully they make contact with that person that obviously worked at Ace, had some affiliate for a while, in Colorado Springs, because those were Colorado Springs. So I put all those papers back so the ranger can come look. He can look at them and decide. So what do you guys think should happen to people that do this stuff? I think they should be banned from the forest, really. I think if they should be trespassed. If caught back out here, woo, that sand blowing. If they're caught back out here, they should go to jail. Well, first time, major fine. Like, and make these fines expensive. Make them so they don't want to come back. Yep. So this is the trail, 942. What a shame.